In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export part of a timeline in DaVinci Resolve. If you've ever finished a long edit but only need to send a short section for review or delivery, this workflow will save you time and keep your exports organized. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve and loading your project. Make sure you're on the Edit page, which is the workspace designed for precise timeline work. You'll see the timeline at the bottom, the viewer at the top, and your clips arranged across tracks. Move the playhead to the exact moment where you want your export to begin. You can drag the playhead or use your arrow keys for frame accurate positioning. When you're happy with the spot, press I on your keyboard. That sets an in point, which tells Resolve, start the export here. You'll notice a visual indicator on the timeline showing the start of your selected range, so you can confirm it's right where you need it. Next, navigate to the point where you want your export to end. Again, take a moment to land precisely on the last frame you want included. Press O to set the out point. Now you have a clearly defined in-out range on your timeline. If needed, you can drag the edges of that mocked range to fine-tune it, but the I&O shortcuts are the quickest way to lock it in. With your range selected, switch to the Deliver page by clicking the tab with the rocket ship icon. This is where all your export settings live. On the left, in the Render Settings panel, look for the range option. By default, it's set to entire timeline. Change this to in-out range. This setting is the key. It tells Resolve to render only the portion you just marked, not the whole edit. Now set the practical details for your export. Choose a clear file name, pick your format and codec based on your needs, and select a save location you'll remember. If you're unsure, a common choice is MP4 with an H.264 codec for easy sharing, but match your project requirements as needed. Double-check resolution, frame rate, and audio settings so they align with your timeline. When everything looks good, click Add to Render Queue. Your job will appear on the right side of the screen. Finally, click Render All to start the export. Resolve will process only the marked section and you'll see progress as it renders. When it's done, your file will be waiting in the folder you selected. That's it. Set in with I, set out with O, switch to Deliver, choose In-Out Range, then add to the queue and render. This method keeps exports fast, accurate, and easy to manage.